नमस्कार फरीदाबाद, मैं सौरभ भारद्वाज। हम लोग पहुंचे हैं ग्रेटर फरीदाबाद और ग्रेटर फरीदाबाद में फिलहाल मौजूद हैं द श्री राम मिलेनियम स्कूल। और आज यहाँ वार्षिकोत्सव, यहाँ एनुअल फंक्शन, और आप देख सकते हैं थीम रहेगा मैड अबाउट वाटर, इसीलिए आपको हर ओर नीला नीला नजर आ रहा होगा। और आज यहाँ मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में मौजूद हैं सिद्धार्थ मोहन, मशहूर भजन गायक हैं, आप जानते ही होंगे उन्हें। और साथ में विशिष्ट अतिथि के रूप में आज यहाँ पहुंचे हैं पद्मश्री डॉक्टर एन.के. पांडे। आप देख सकते हैं उनका स्वागत। और ये देखें तमाम स्कूल की प्रबंधन यहाँ मौजूद, और ढोल नगाड़ों के साथ उनका यहाँ हार्दिक अभिनंदन और स्वागत किया गया। और मैड अबाउट वाटर, जल है तो कल है, बच्चों को संस्कारित करने के उद्देश्य से, बच्चों को जल का महत्व समझाने के उद्देश्य से यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं बड़ा कार्यक्रम आपको लेकर आए हैं द श्री राम मिलेनियम स्कूल। और आपको दिखाएंगे हम लोग आपके साथ यहाँ लाइव रहने वाले हैं फरीदाबाद शहर के प्रतिष्ठित स्कूलों में से एक द श्री राम मिलेनियम स्कूल। और आज वहाँ बड़ा कार्यक्रम जल के महत्व को रेखांकित करता है, उनका एनुअल फंक्शन, वार्षिकोत्सव मैड अबाउट वाटर, जल है तो कल है।
जल बनकर जन्मा जीवन का स्वरूप हूँ मैं, अंबर के आंसू धरा का गुरूर हूँ मैं। ना रुकूं मैं ना थकूं मैं, हर रास्ते में बढ़ता जाऊं मैं, व्यर्थ ना समझो मुझको, पानी हूँ मैं, पानी हूँ मैं। नमस्ते and a very good morning to all on this special day when we have come together as the Shri community to not only for us but the students of the Shri Ram Millennium School Faridabad, but for the entire Shri Parivar.
Before we begin, we would like to reassure you that all safety measures are in place. There's one main exit in the school premises and the school building will remain out of bounds. In the event of an emergency, we request you to remain calm and not panic. There is a separate enclosure for first aid as well as 2 ambulances on standby.
महाप्रसाद जननी सर्व सौभाग्यवर्धिनी आधि व्याधि हरा नित्यम तुलसी त्वम नमस्तुते। तुलसी को जल अर्पित करना प्रतीक है विकास समृद्धि, समृद्धि एवं प्रकृति में सामंजस्य का। इसके औषधीय गुण हमारे मानसिक व आध्यात्मिक विकास में सहायक है। भारतीय संस्कृति में इसे पूजनीय माना गया है और प्रत्येक भारतीय इस पर जल चढ़ाकर ही दिन की शुरुआत करता है। तो आइए हम भी तुलसी पर जल अर्पित कर आज के इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने का आशीर्वाद लें।
We request Uttara ma'am and Sonali ma'am to please escort our esteemed guests for the watering of the Tulsi plant.
उत्तरा सिंह मौजूद हैं उनके साथ, मुख्य अतिथि सिद्धार्थ मोहन, साथ में डॉक्टर एन.के. पांडे, पद्मश्री डॉक्टर एन.के. पांडे जी।
composed as Bharat Bhagya Vidata by Rabindranath Tagore, our national anthem is the first stanza which was adopted by the Constituent Assembly in 1950. Our anthem, Jana Gana Man, is significant in uniting us, its citizens, and reminding us that although diverse, we stand and remain one under the Indian Union. National anthem, it's a pride of place. We will be singing it at the start of a special day. We all take immense pride in the rich heritage of our country, India. And it is with pride in your hearts that we urge you now to rise for the national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जगति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद
We now request our principal, Sonali ma'am, to deliver the welcome address. Namaste everyone. Not loud enough for me. Namaste everyone. That's better. Can it get even better? I know it can. Namaste everyone. On behalf of the staff and students of the Shri Ram Millennium School Faridabad campus, it is my privilege to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Shri Siddharth Mohanji. Louder! It's a dream come true for us today. Dr. Pandey, our guest of honor, can we hear it for him? Shantanu sir, Uttara ma'am, Amrinder ma'am, it's such a pleasure to have you here with the entire team from SEL, principals from across campuses, Anuradha ma'am from the Gurugram campus, and Ramanjit ma'am from the Noida campus, all our vice principals from across campuses, Gurugram and Noida. Thank you for being here with us today. Our parents, grandparents, friends, relatives, and when I was telling the children to invite, I said invite friends, Romans, countrymen. So in case they are here, a very warm welcome to them too. Teachers and children from all the participating schools, a heartfelt welcome to our Mad About Water. Mad,
is actually an acronym. I don't know how many of you know. MAD stands for Make a Difference. And today is our 10th edition in this Mad About series. Let's hear it for our school. I don't know how we do this year after year, really. However, having spoken about make a difference, literally there is a lot of madness, as we can see on the field, and for the past 2 months, we have been going literally mad. Doing what? Questioning, exploring, understanding, inquiring with various topics related to water, something that is so close to our hearts, because at Sri Ram School, environment is something very, very close to our heart. And so it was only fitting and very, very necessary to have water as the theme for this year's Mad About. Today is not just a celebration. I think it is a collective commitment to something that is so important, water. And I think we have to all say a shukrana because we are here today. That is our life source, right? So that's a little about Mad About Water. So as you go around, I think parents who are already here for many times know it. You will see children showcase their learning on various topics related to water. So there are theme-based stalls. Thank you parents, teachers and students who've come together for showcasing this learning. But in addition to that, we have 3 inter-school competitions happening, a lot of live performances. We have the drum circle playing later in the day and a Rajasthani troupe too. We have a lot of food, a lot of shopping, pickleball, golf. I think I need some water. I could go on and on. There's a lot happening. Enjoy. We have a stall from the Sri Saksham team, the Sri Paryavaran team, and so on and so forth. And as you enjoy the day, I am going to take this opportunity to say some very important thank yous. I will begin with thanking Shantanu sir and Uttara ma'am because we have a beautiful wall out there, everyone. Every Mad About, we have inaugurated new spaces. Last year it was the skating rink, before that it was the golf course, and today we will be inaugurating this beautiful artwork inspired by Gond art after the inauguration ceremony here. So thank you sir and thank you ma'am for always supporting and helping us grow from strength to strength. A heartfelt thank you to our sponsors. Let's hear it for them. Asian Hospitals, Studs, Adharshila Realtors and Tarang. Thank you for believing in us and making today possible. A heartfelt thank you to you, dear parents, for trusting us, trusting our thought process, our mindset, our beliefs, and being with us on this journey of Mad About year after year. Children, we love you to the moon and back. Keep that energy going. And my last and my most important thank you is to the team out there, TSMS Faridabad, 3 you rocked it. We have to hear, and this one is for you, special one. Woohoo! I salute you. I don't know how you do this year after year. Thank you to the visual arts team, Danish sir, Preeti ma'am, Somdat sir. The installations are absolutely mind-blowing. And believe you me, take a look here. That's hand-painted by our very own Danish sir. In case you thought it was a print, it is the Banaras Ghat that he has painted over here. Absolutely amazing. A lot of recycled work. All the artwork that you're going to see is all recycled. And I think that's our strength. When we talk environment, then we walk environment and we work for that cause. So thank you to the visual arts team, to the performing arts team, to all the coordinators and to my brilliant key activity coordinators for coordinating this. Meenakshi ma'am and Anju ma'am, this one is for you. Thank you. Thank you so much. And with that, I will conclude. Enjoy the day, enjoy the madness, enjoy all the learning that is going to come today. Shukrana to all of you. Shukrana to him up there who's making us do this. Shukrana every step of the way. Thank you. Namaste.
you, ma'am, for your encouraging and kind words. We now request our director, Uttara ma'am, to say a few words on this occasion. Please, ma'am.
Namaste everyone. Such a beautiful morning. It's like a dream come true, Siddharth ji, to have you with us. We have been listening to your songs, your bhajans practically every morning. My simple command to Alexa is normally play Siddharth Mohan bhajans. And today I've listened to them this morning too. And to have you here in person and our children singing before you means so much to us. Truly, it's very, very special. And I genuinely feel that you are a blessed soul, Bete. Sorry, I am calling you Bete, but you are like my son. And it's rare to have people with that kind of warmth and love in their singing like you do. And we are so honored and blessed that you are with us today. Thank you so much for being here. Dr. Pandey is like home for us. Dr. Pandey is our in-house grandfather. And I am now the grandmother, Dr. Pandey, the grandparents. So we are common grandparents. Dr. Pandey is responsible for making sure every citizen of Faridabad is either healthy or gets the best health care when they need it. And Asian Hospital has been doing it year after year, and we are so proud to be associated with you. And of course, we have Neha also, our personal brand ambassador. Thank you so much. Chandu sir, thank you for coming all the way every time we call you and encouraging us. Your presence in itself is very motivating, and all that you do for us really makes our schools look so beautiful and feel so good. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. To my team across campuses, thank you. I know it's been busy. It's the end of the year. So much happening across each campus, but everybody is here. From Noida, Ramanjit ma'am, Pia ma'am, Aparna ma'am, Meenu ma'am, from Gurgaon, Anuradha ma'am, Sunaina ma'am, everyone here from SCL team. Thank you so much, Amrinder ma'am, Ritu ma'am, Shweta. It's lovely to see you all here. Parents, mad about water. Now, I don't want to go on. And also I see a lot of my teachers from across campuses and from different schools. Welcome again. Water to us, when we talk about water, 70% of us is water, right? 70% of the earth is water. And the power of water that I genuinely feel is that it is very fluid, it is moving, it is soft. But when required, it can be extremely tough. I think as a human being, if we incorporate that quality in us to be soft, to be fluid, to be adaptable, like water, पानी का तो कोई रंग ही नहीं है, पानी तो हर रंग में रंग लेता है और हर चीज को साफ कर देता है. I think it's so important to not only look at water as a resource, but to look at water as an inspiration. So today, I think while we go around, see all the stalls, I would urge everyone to look at water and see what quality of water you would like to incorporate in yourself. Like the ocean, so calm on top, depth inside. So much of depth inside, isn't it? And I'm reminded of that line which says, कि मैं भीतर गया तो मैं भी तर गया. जब हम भीतर जाते हैं तो हम तर जाते हैं, हम पार हो जाते हैं, हम मुक्त हो जाते हैं. Everything is within us, and 70% of that is water. So I think it's very important for that fluidity and that, that softness to be embraced. Let's all celebrate the festival of madness together. And truly, truly, सिद्धार्थ जी, मैं तो यही कहूंगी, जो तुम्हारे भजन है वो हमें इतना इंस्पायर करते हैं कि many a times I say this from stage कि मैं वो बन जाऊं जो तेरी मर्जी है, ये मेरी अर्जी है. तो मैं हम सब के बिहाफ पे, हमारे TSMS टीम, आई थिंक हम सब मिलके यही सोचें और इसी राह पे चलें कि हम वो, हमारी अर्जी भगवान तुम्हें यही है, सुन लो सूर्यदेव, आप चमक जाओ थोड़ा और हम वो बन जाएं जो आपकी मर्जी है. हमें सही राह पे गाइड करना, सही राह पे चलाना, और हमारे साथ जो बच्चे हैं, our aim is to only make good, happy citizens. Whatever they may become, they will become. But today is a day of fun and enjoyment, not too much of serious talk. So let's rock it. Have a great day, and thank you so much again to all our guests.
धन्यवाद मैम, आपके प्रेरणादायक शब्द हमें हर कदम पर उत्कृष्टता पाने के लिए प्रोत्साहित करते हैं।
Water is the gentle pulse of the earth, flowing, singing, and weaving life wherever it wanders. Like a playful river, it renews the world with its touch, reminding us to cherish the shimmering gift that sustains every journey.
जल की बात जब जब आएगी, नटखट नदियों की चंचल धाराएं मन को छू जाएंगी, जो अपने प्रवाह से धरती को जीवन देती हैं, जो कभी धीमी कभी तेज बहती हैं। उनकी लहराती चाल मानो प्रकृति का नृत्य हो। उनका निर्मल और निरंतर बहना हमें सिखाता है कि जीवन भी प्रवाह में ही सुंदर है।
कहीं किसी रेत पे लिखे हुए गीत हैं,
जिन्हें तू मिला नहीं वही तेरे मीत हैं।
अरे आजा उन्हें ढूंढ ले।
माड़ी तिरछी बहती पुरवा पेड़ों से कहीं आऊंगी फिर से मैं यहाँ।
So nam ayam ang payado mo. Mulga sa changso sang nam rinam sam ham anya ngalay domuto.
कोई खेल जारी है ये लो तेरी प्यारी है सितारों पे भारी है चल चली। तू चुप होगा सब सन्नाटे पूछेंगे तुझे वो तेरे सुर है रे कहाँ।
तिनका चुनती चिड़िया छोड़े घोंसला, पंखों से नापे आसमां।
Wow, that was truly captivating. Thank you for the wonderful performance. We are honored to welcome as our chief guest, Shri Siddharth Mohan, one of India's most respected devotional singers, whose soulful journey of over 29 years has touched millions and brought new depth to spiritual music. A mechanical engineer by qualification, but a singer by passion and profession, he has performed across more than 25 countries, with his bhajans becoming a source of peace and devotion for countless listeners worldwide. With over 1 million YouTube subscribers, his excellence has been recognized with numerous honors, with the most recent one being Times of India Award 2025. Sir, it is an absolute honor to have you as chief guest with us today.
आज के जल है तो कल है कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि श्री सिद्धार्थ मोहन जी से हम अनुरोध करते हैं कि वे आएं और सभा को संबोधित करें।
नमस्ते, सुनाई नहीं दिया मुझे। नमस्ते, इट्स एन ऑनर टू बी हियर एंड स्पेशली जब स्कूल से इनवाइट आता है तो आई गेट स्केर्ड बिकॉज स्कूल है। हमारे टाइम में स्कूल थोड़ा वो होता था, नाउ तो बच्चों को पसंद है स्कूल जाना, दे लुक फॉरवर्ड टू दैट। नाउ स्कूल्स आर आल्सो लाइक दैट, टीचर्स आल्सो लाइक दैट, बट स्पेशली जब प्रिंसिपल की तरफ से मेल आता है तो अभी भी घबराहट हो जाती है मुझे एंड स्पेशली जब प्रिंसिपल रूम में जाना पड़े तो और ज़्यादा सो बट इट्स एन ऑनर एंड टू हियर माय भजन। वैसे पहले भी आपके स्कूल में आता रहता है, यू गाइस कीप ऑन टैगिंग मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, सो एंड इट्स अ मुझे लगता है दिस इज द बिगेस्ट सुकून मतलब जो एक आर्टिस्ट के लिए होता है कि व्हाट यू कैन गिव टू द सोसाइटी। सो आई थिंक ये सबसे बड़ा अवार्ड है, इससे ऊपर कुछ नहीं हो सकता। एंड जहाँ तक शुक्राना की बात है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है शुक्र आउट ऑफ ऑल द फीलिंग्स वी हैव मैनी फीलिंग्स, यस यस, out of all the feelings gratitude has the highest frequency, you know that, do you know that? No, gratitude जो है शुक्राना है वो that has the highest frequency। जितने भी बड़े लोग हैं बच्चों को बाद में समझा रहे हैं what I am about to say। जैसे क्या होता है जीवन भर हम क्या करते हैं, हम मांगते रहते हैं, है ना, कि हमें ये नहीं मिला, हमें वो नहीं मिला। लेकिन मांगना ऐसा होता है कि जैसे ये सूरज है ना, आप अपनी परछाई पकड़ने की कोशिश करें, आप अपनी शैडो को पकड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं, आपसे उतना ही दूर जाती है। यस और नो, यस और नो, हाँ। और वैसे ही अगर आप सूरज की तरफ चलोगे तो सूरज की तरफ आप चलते हो तो क्या होता है, शैडो क्या होती है, फॉलोज यू। तो वही है, जब शुक्राना करते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली व्हाट इज बेस्ट फॉर यू दैट फॉलोज। सो यही है मेरी लाइफ का, तो ये है बिकॉज फ्रॉम बीइंग अ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर टू कमिंग फुल टाइम इनटू म्यूजिक। एंड तब 3 इडियट्स भी नहीं आई थी कि घर वालों को समझा दूं, मूवी बाद में आई थी, बट आई टुक दिस स्टेप अर्लियर देन दैट। एंड एवरी डे इज मैजिक व्हेन यू फॉलो योर पैशन, सो दैट्स व्हाट हैज हैपेंड टू मी। एंड थैंक यू सो मच श्री राम स्कूल, थैंक यू सो मच ऑल टीचर्स। गुरु जो है बहुत सबसे पहले हमारे जीवन में जो होते हैं गुरु अपने माता पिता होते हैं, वो जीवन भर रहते हैं, चाहे आप उनकी बात सुने ना माने, लेकिन हमेशा वो सही होते हैं। उसके बाद जो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट जो आते हैं आपके गुरु, वो आपके टीचर्स हैं। एंड सो लवली, इतने अच्छे टीचर्स हैं यहाँ पे, एंड ऑल एवरीवन इज सो गुड। एंड इट्स माय प्लेजर टू बी हियर एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। थैंक यू। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुर्भाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू फॉर इंस्पायरिंग वर्ड सर। हमारी नदियाँ अपनी चंचल लहरों संग धरती पर जीवन की मधुर सरगम बिखराती हैं। उनमें से सबसे पावन है गंगा, जो हिमालय की गोद से निकलकर हमारे गांव, खेतों और दिलों को सदियों से सींचती आई हैं।
The Ganga, rising pure and radiant from the Himalayan glaciers, flows across our land, carrying centuries of faith, culture, and devotion. She nurtures our people, our fields, and our spirit as a nation. Today, as we honor her sacred journey and the reverence she inspires, let us offer our tribute to her with a grateful heart.
जिसे पुकारे वो पहुँचे गंगा किनारे, न कर मैली तो गंगा, तन धोए मन तो गंगा, पलट के फिर नानी, बोली बात और बहता पानी, न कर मैली तो गंगा, तन धोए मन तो गंगा। मन का मन गंगा में डूबे नहाए, मन रावण जो लहरों में तुमने बहाए, जो चला गया वो लौट के फिर ना आए, तेरा कर्म ही है जो संग तेरे ले जाए। मन पावन हो गंगा में डूबे नहाए, मन रावण जो लहरों में तुमने बहाए। जो पास तेरे वही तेरा, बाकी सब मोह का फेरा, तू क्यों समझ न पाया, तन मिट्टी है मन माया, भगवा चोला तन पे जो तू ओढ़े, हर झोला तो जाएगा पीछे छोड़े। मन पावन हो गंगा में डूब नहाए, मन रावण जो लहरों में तुम बहाए। हर हर गंगे हर हर गंगे हर हर गंगे गंगे, हर हर गंगे हर हर गंगे हर हर गंगे गंगे, हर हर गंगे हर हर गंगे हर हर गंगे गंगे, हर हर गंगे हर हर गंगे हर हर गंगे गंगे, हर हर गंगे हर हर गंगे हर हर गंगे गंगे, हर हर गंगे
Thank you for the wonderful performance.
जोड़ेंगे फरीदाबाद आपको शहर की ऐसी ही और महत्वपूर्ण खबरों के साथ।
Chairman and Managing Director of the Asian Institute of Medical Sciences. Dr. Pandey brings with him a vast and diverse experience in the healthcare sector. The Asian Institute of Medical Sciences stands today as a testament to his vision and dedication. Dr. Pandey is a proud recipient of the Padma Shri Award for his remarkable contribution to the healthcare sector. Sir, we extend a warm welcome to you. We request you to kindly grace the stage and share your invaluable thoughts with us.
Good morning, very good morning to everybody. Good morning to Santanu Prakashji, my very dear friend. Siddharth Mohanji, it was a pleasure to see you in person. Let's see Sonali ma'am and the director of the school. So I would like to sincerely thank everybody. As you rightly said, I am your permanent grandfather. 4 of my grandchildren have passed through here. Aaron is still learning his tricks, and few years he will move away from the school education. But I must say that so many schools are here, and I know almost all of them. But we only choose Sri Ram because they are the one who looks after overall development of the children. It's not that I had got for places to go. It is just that I feel best for our kids. And you are the best. I must say a few words about the subject that you have made about water. And as far as I am concerned as a doctor, अगर गांव का भी पेशेंट आता है उसकी तबीयत खराब होती है तो कहता है कि डॉक्टर साहब एक आध बॉटल पानी चढ़ा दीजिए. And we all know that life has emerged from the water. And one of the toughest subject to teach, I have 62 postgraduate students doing post-graduation in various specialties at our institute, is water management. We call it fluid and electrolyte management using technical word, but actually it is management of water and salt. And water is so important that you can't eat without water, you can't digest without water, you can't run your heart without water, your nutrient will not go out to your required organ if you do not have water. And then you need water to flush out toxins. And we have a big problem as far as water is concerned, because Punjab and Haryana are the states who draw maximum amount of water from the earth in the world. Also, it also relates to our agriculture practices because we are basically growing rice and wheat. 1 kg of rice needs 720 kg of water. So see how much water we are consuming. And what it really worries me that a day is going to come that we are going to become like Bangalore used to be one of the best cities to live because 20 years ago you bored for 100 meters you get water in Bangalore. Today you have to bore more than 700 meters to get access to water. It has become a concrete jungle. So the way we are, and one of the big problem on water is that nobody wants to talk about water. You think कि ये तो मिल ही जाएगा या मेरे लिए तो ये सिद्धांत मोहन जी जाएंगे पानी मिल जाएगा. यार आप 5 साल के बाद के सोचो कि क्या होगा. Availability of potted water, water that you can drink, India is ranked at 140 out of 180 countries. So already water scarcity is hitting us very, very badly. And you realize everywhere you go, you get a bottle of water to drink, it will have microplastic. Now all water is not drinkable. And we have to be very, very careful about the water. What I would like to say to the children who are here in the auditorium, because this is not the right time, they have already moved out, is save water as much as you can. 2 things, close the tap while you are brushing and use the water as little as you require for shower. And shower is more economical. Like I would suggest that switch on the electric switch if you are not in the room. So it seems like a small initiative, but a big, big initiative. So if we want that as the life has emerged from the water, for life to survive on earth, the water has to be there. And it is not our time. I am thinking about time of my grandchildren of my grandchildren, whether they will have water or they will be fighting war for water, because the next war that will happen across the world will be for the water. And I would like to close with a line from Rahim, poet, one of the 9 Ratna of Akbar in 15th century, who said, Rahman pani rakiye bin pani saktu, pani gaye no gure moti manasu. So if the mankind has to be survived, then you need water. Thank you for having me here. Thank you very much. Enjoy the day.
जोड़ेंगे फरीदाबाद आपको शहर की ऐसी ही और महत्वपूर्ण खबरों के साथ. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.